Hey everyone, Joey with JLF Ranches and Outdoors. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to check and adjust your tracks on a D6 CAT Dozer. It's pretty much the same across all of them, John Deere and whatnot, but they all have different slack requirements. The reason for making sure your tracks are adjusted correctly is if they're too tight or too loose, you get premature wear on your undercarriage. That can cost you tens of thousands of dollars down the road. If you keep them right out where they're supposed to be, you'll get your most life expectancy out of your undercarriage, assuming the quality of parts is good. But anyways, so to do the proper track adjustment and make sure it's correct, you'll need your tape measure, need a straight edge or a string. In turn, I always use a ratchet strap. I hook it back here behind the segments, come up here, hook it all the way up here down by the front idler, pull it tight, and then you measure it. On a D6, this one specifically is calling for 2.2 inches plus or minus a ½ inch between the two low spots. So as you can see, this one's 2 1/4, 2 1/16. So we got 2 1/4 there. And 2 1/8 there. So we are within spec on the right side. We're going to do the left side too, but that is how you do them. And then also make sure before you check your adjustments, you move the machine back and forth a couple times, and always make sure that you let it roll to a stop in the forward position. Do not let it roll to a stop in the going in rearward position, because it will put more tension on top of the tracks and you'll get a false measurement. So always make sure you're rolling forward and let it roll to a stop, and then do your string adjustment and whatnot. Make sure your tracks are checked out good. Anyways, that's a quick tip for y'all. Y'all have a nice day.